Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will show how to make chocolate bark for a cake. Melt 2 cups of chocolate in a double boiler or microwave, stirring until smooth and glossy. Spread melted chocolate onto a parchment-lined sheet to an even thickness, then sprinkle your chosen mix-ins while still tacky. Let the bark set at room temperature or chill briefly until firm before breaking into pieces for decorating your cake. Choose complementary flavors that suit your cake and guests. Try dark chocolate with sea salt and roasted almonds, or white chocolate with freeze-dried strawberries for a pop of color. Mix textures like crushed cookies or toffee for crunch, and fold in citrus zest or espresso powder to elevate depth. Keep pieces varied in size for interest when decorating, and taste as you go to balance sweetness and intensity. If this guide is helpful, please subscribe and like the video to support future recipes. Quick recommendation: life's too short for cheap socks, go darn tough for comfort and a lifetime warranty, perfect for standing while baking. I wear them when I'm on my feet decorating cakes, and they make long baking sessions comfier. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Break the set bark into pieces that complement your cake size and design. Use small dabs of frosting to glue larger shards in place, and press gently to avoid cracking delicate bits. Arrange pieces at angles for a dramatic, textured look, and reserve small crumbs to fill gaps or edges. If the chocolate becomes too warm, chill briefly so it firms back up before final placement.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.